Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. Now, if you can't activate your personal hotspot for some reason or it's not working, you want to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. So I have a phone here that I couldn't activate it, so I'm going to show you how to do it on this iPhone. So the very first thing you want to ensure that is your account on your carrier actually has hotspot. Hotspot doesn't always come with your plan. Sometimes you have to pay extra, so make sure you have hotspot for sure. You can usually contact your carrier to verify that. Now once you have that, just pull down the control menu here, put your phone on airplane mode briefly and turn it off. That does a quick network refresh and you should be able to see hotspot activated. Now if it's still not working, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is basically turn off your iPhone and turn it back on. Here you can just hold the volume up and the side button to bring up this menu, or you can just go ahead and to your settings, general, scroll all the way down, shut down, turn it off, and then of course to power back on, you're just going to hold on to that side button, and then after you turn it on, you should see the hotspot. Now if you're still not seeing it, the next thing to go ahead and do with your phone is doing a network reset. So for this one, you're going to go into your settings, go to general, scroll all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone, tap on that, and then click on reset, and we want to do a network reset. Now this will reset things like your saved Wi-Fi, but it's important to do, especially when it comes to activating hotspot for the very first time on your iPhone. It will not delete any of your other data like photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. Will take about 30 seconds to a minute to do, but important step to get that hotspot to activate. Now if it's still not working, the next thing to do is if you have a physical SIM card on your iPhone, for example, it might be on this side or that side, you're going to want to take that SIM card out and reinsert it back in. So usually it will be like a clip like this. You're going to take the SIM card out and then put it back in, and that should also help it reactivate. Now, the final thing to do if that's not working is go into your settings, go to general, software update, and you're going to make sure you update your phone. If there's an update available, just click on update and it'll update to the phone, and also give that nice software update to fix any issues you're having. So that's how you activate a personal hotspot if you can't get it to activate. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.